Ya Rasulullah, ask Allah that we get to be with you in paradise the way we're with you in this battlefield of Uhud. And the Prophet ﷺ says, Allahumma ja'alhum rufaqa'i fil Jannah. Oh Allah, make them my companions in Jannah. And she says in response, Ya Rasulullah, ma ubali ma asabani min ad-dunya. I don't care what happens to me in this dunya after this. SubhanAllah. I don't care what happens to me now. If I'm killed now, afterwards, the Prophet ﷺ just said, Allahumma ja'alhum rufaqa'i fil Jannah. Oh Allah, make them my companions in paradise. So I don't care. Ma ubali ma asabani min ad-dunya. Whatever happens from here on out in this journey, I don't care. That is the purest expression of iman, of yaqeen, of faith and certainty that you can hear from a person's mouth. At this point, that's it. We heard it all. Rasulullah ﷺ said that we're going to be his companions in Jannah.